A long time ago, in a far-away village, lived peaceful farmers.
After a year long of hard work, we have such a great harvest.
Yes, we'll be able to store food for a long winter ahead of us.
Hey, look, it's snowing!
It has been 365 days since the last time that we met. Do you remember? Are you afraid?
Nian's back! Run!
He's chasing us all! Run!
He's coming for us! Run! Lock your door! Ah!
Each time the monster comes, we lose our friends and loved ones. We will not live in fear. We will learn to defeat this beast with our swords and spears. Overpower the despair that the monster brings to this village.
Swords and spear cannot defeat me. I come from the darkest cave and the deepest sea. I can defeat the most courageous warrior with my powerful armor.
Oh, not even our bravest warriors can defeat the Nian? The monster has a strong armor that cannot be penetrated by swords and spears. It's hopeless! How can we live in peace with this monster around?
What are we going to do?
Our only hope is to ask the gods for help since we can no longer help ourselves.
Then let's make sure the gods in heaven listen to our prayers. Let's hope the gods in heaven listen to our prayers and will teach us what to do next. Look, here comes an old man. I think he's trying to tell us something.
Villagers, you are facing an ancient monster. Its name is Nian. It cannot be killed by swords and spears. It is a 1,000-year-old beast that was born when men were created on Earth. But, you can drive him away if you come together and work together. The gods have heard your prayers, and I am here to help you. First, the Nian does not like happy, joyful sounds created by the gathering of friends and relatives. He preys on loneliness, fear, and terror. The first person he eats is always the one who is afraid, in terror, and without friends. So, invite guests and friends to your house. Go to your friends and relatives' home to play games. Make it fun for everybody. Also, he's afraid of the color red. So wear red clothing. Drape your homes with red, the color of the rising sun, and decorate your home with red colors so he does not enter your door. He does not like loud noises. Here, I give you some noisemakers for your children to ward off the Nien. Nien lives in the dark, and he does not like light. Whenever Nien comes, you should light the sky with bright, loud fireworks. Make those bamboo sticks into firecrackers. And as you burn them, they make loud sounds. Yes, the Nien cannot be killed, but you can drive him back to the darkest cave in the deepest part of the sea.
I hate strange and loud noises, bright and flashing lights. Stop! Stop the madness!
Now let's do our firecracker dance of joy, and we will celebrate our victory!